What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and thank you all for tuning in. As always, really appreciate each and every one of you. It's your boy Matty B, and today we're going to be heading to Glen, Helen to check out some pro-only practice sessions before the Glen Helen Moto Fest and the Stopwatch Nationals this weekend. There should be some heavy hitters for an epic pro motocross preseason showdown, but real quick before we get into today's action, I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of all the racing that's going down this weekend at Glen Helen for MotoFest. $100,000 up for grabs between Friday and Saturday's racing, $30,000 for Friday's Stopwatch National, and then $35,000 each for the 450 and the 250 Pro Showcase classes on Saturday. There's even an NGPC off-road race going down on Sunday with some bad dudes, and I'll be in attendance for every bit of the action. The Stopwatch National entry list still has some time to grow, but it's already looking epic and stacked with Justin Barcia and Dylan Ferrandis set to race their Ducatis outdoors for the first time in the USA. Ryder D and Two Jews aren't on the list yet, but they've done this race in the past, and I'm hoping they show up and show out. But then we have last year's dominant winner, Colt Nichols. The dude made over $20,000 at this race last year. Everyone's favorite grunt, Phil Nicoletti, is going to be there. Last year's standout, Enzo Temmerman, is back in action after a broken femur. Then we got off-road rippers like Mason Simmons, Justin Heft, Giacomo Redondi, and Ryan Surratt. The Bar X Yamaha squad of Ross, Schwartz, Timbo, and Lux Turner isn't on the list right now, but I feel like he's got to be racing. Hell, even Derek Drake's on the entry list, and I think he's going to be on a Bar X Yamaha too. You can never count out the local rippers like T-Stu, Josh Mosman, and Surratt. We got the Aussie that's racing a two-stroke in pro motocross, Joel Milcevic, and tons, and I mean tons of privateers like Rod Bell, Kelly, B-Ray, Harlan, Gordon, Hammond, Daxton Braggs, Bennett, Bernard, and even some amateurs who are about to get some invaluable experience racing a full gate of pros. There's already a whopping 56 names on the entry list, and this year they chopped the amount of people getting paid in half. It was top 20, but now it's only the top 10 that get paid and only the top 10 that get laid, and there are going to be some bad dudes outside the top 10. 10 grand is on the line for the winner in the Stopwatch National, the 250 Pro Showcase, and the 450 Pro Showcase. Second is worth 6 grand in the Pro Showcases and 5 grand for the Stopwatch National. Third is worth $4,500 for Stopwatch and $5,500 for the Pro Showcases, and if you can land it in the top 10, you're walking away with a pretty decent stack of cash. Pretty insane payouts and going to be a Gnarls Barkley field that I can't wait watch to duke it out for all the cash money. It's going to be wild, but now let's check out the pro practice from today here at Glen Helen. And you guys already know, real quick before we do that, gotta thank the channel sponsors. They made this trip possible, and they're offering some discounts on some great products. So if you like supporting your boy and saving money, then please do me a favor and go check them out. These videos would not be possible without ASV Inventions, home of the Unbreakable Lever, and the new S1 Series Single Pivot Adjustable National. Serious Studio, they can take care of all your merch needs from hats, sweatshirts, shirts, bags, etc. And of course, the DesignLabCo.com, they got some great designs in their lab at their co, and if you need anything graphic related, then definitely look no further than there. I've got links, discount codes, and all that fun stuff in my video description, and if you guys buy from them, a small portion of the sale goes to me to help keep the channel going. So if you guys are supporting them, you are literally supporting me. Hope you enjoy the video, and thanks again for watching.
Getting her all churned up.
Holy titty city, am I even in SoCal right now?
Mudbank is flying. Then we got Phil on his way to rip Garrett a new one. Tickle, testing him. He could race the Stopwatch National. He'd be a contender. These guys are actually out here in the public practice right now. What are they thinking?
And we got riders. Pro practice is off. Yeah, they said no, sir, you are not a pro. Got Ducatis. Romano. Sorry, brother, wrong group.
Oh yeah, baby, time to hear those Desmo revs bang. Tons of track changes. I can barely recognize this place. Besides, you know, all the hills. Got confirmation Lux Turner is racing. Damn, he didn't even slam him. Is he feeling okay? Enzo's back. He tailed Colt Nichols for 30+2 last year. He will impress tomorrow. Even Moto KK taking on the pro practice.
General Schwartz.
Ferrandis enters the mix. Man, we got riders. Oh wait, that wasn't Ferrandis, but he is racing. Got the ultimate GH local Josh Moseman. I actually saw his helmet back home before I even got on the plane. Enzo bangs 450 revs like none other, except for maybe Bam Bam. Retirement my ass, Phil. It's going to be a national tomorrow. Might as well go to round one of Pro Motocross. Here's my guy, Aussie Joel Milcevic, racing the two-stroke in Pro Motocross. As I missed a shot, we'll get there when it's time. I knew it was Barsha. I heard him. Whoa, my loose activity. I missed Daxton Braggs. I forgot he was on a Yamaha now. Lots of testing going down for Bam Bam. He's pulling in and out of the mechanics area if there were one a lot. Okay, we'll take it. Oh no, I'm in the van editing and somebody has found the worst place to crash at Glen Helen. That ain't gonna be a fun one to recover from. names and 0 choices? Yacht. Bam Bam just sent something huge and OJ'd it. Clutch still works. Love to hear it. The Ultimate Rider's in the building. Where's his teammate Rob? He's probably doing an HVAC install right now. He'll be on the gate tomorrow. Might as well call Enzo Charlie Sheen with how much he likes to bang. But it's the revs, not the broads. We are not going to pass sound testing, but we are passing the hauling ass at the national eye test. Well, wide there, trailer park girl.
Hell yeah!
Got Redondi in the mix as a heavy sleeper. These off-road guys are ridiculously fast. If you don't believe me, wait till tomorrow. We got a 777. Check this line out. Enzo was cheering him on, love it. I want to tell him to shift up, but he's ripping. Who am I to judge? Oh my, Rock Garden National, Unadilla and Broome Tioga, and every rock garden and enduro cross all had a love child, and there ain't much to love about it. Oh my, why are we in the pro practice, KTM? Okay, everybody's starting to uncork it. He just let it fly on a 2 fatty. That's way bigger than it looks on camera, I promise. Not many people left out here in practice 2. The track is kind of Bone City, but I've been told it will be a way deeper and wetter prep job tomorrow. Stay tuned for some Gnarls Barkleyness. Juan should have brought the 500. The 450 is not core. Full trombone's digging while all of his teammates are not. They all put in like a 60 plus 4 earlier though. I'm sure they're all right. muff action. Back-to-back muff. Marchbanks is still obliterating the course. I almost forgot, brick shit houses probably don't even need ACLs. Pro practices are an hour long, and I think that's only half long enough for Moto KK. Damn, she sounds crispy chicken. Last clip of the day, got no choice for it to be a two-smoke. Checkers are out. Well, folks, I'm not even going to wait till I'm in the van on the way out of here. We're just going to do the outro now. That's a wrap on practice day for Moto Fest, Stopwatch National, Pro Showcase, all that kind of stuff. Another stacked lineup. I mean, it is quite literally in the SoCal contract for like every day out here, but tons of riders, tons of money up for grabs this weekend, 100 bands in total, so pretty insane. Gonna be a hell of a show. I know it's gonna be a banger, and we're gonna be here for all of it. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Free of choice.